Guys, welcome to this session. Although I'm showing the Filmora interface, what I'm actually want to show is one AI tool that I'm using to play and learn how to generate AI content. So this was my second AI generated content based on a script, a text script. Although the outcome was not exactly as I wanted, I will show you in a minute why. Because I'm learning. As I'm showing, I'm learning. I wanted for it to introduce my avatar. This is my avatar. To introduce a concept of the trading market, which is bear and bull run, but these were the video itself could be really nice, but there was a problem. If I put a play, you'll see that all these characters around my avatar also mimic my saying. So let's put on it so you guys will see what I'm saying. So let's put on play.
Cryptocurrency cycles and understanding them. When price is right, that's a bull market. When prices fall, that's a bear market. Smart investors don't prepare to profit.
So you could see, although it was nice, the interaction of the image and everything, all these characters that the AI created were basically mimicking my avatar on what I'm saying. So the AI did the lip sync for all of them, which is not ideal what I want. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna remove them all and then try again with my avatar on this environment without anybody around, or at least if it's a element around, it will be far away. And then for everyone that is a little bit curious what is I'm using, this is HeyGen. HeyGen is a AI generated tool which I'm using and I'm learning how to use, which you can make to create content using your image or other kind of AIs. This is a new update, and yeah, that's it. I haven't done a lot with it. I'm just like playing around and understanding how the HeyGen studio works, and I will probably start creating a guide to demonstrate. Yeah, I'm building up stuff on HeyGen step by step, explaining as I learn. Because like the more you can explain something, even though you're learning, the better you can understand. Alright, I'll see you on the next episode.